one of the things to become a market leader is to have a competitive edge. What is that significant edge that you have in your business?
What I believe gives us the competitive edge and makes us the market leader in apartment trading is multiple different reasons, but some of the key is honesty and transparency. We're very upfront with the suppliers that we deal with, being the vendors, and also the people we sell to. Market knowledge, that's key. Intricacies of this market are very unique. There's 1,200 apartments that change hands every year in Auckland CBD. We currently are approaching 15% of those. So it's keeping abreast of changes in buildings and in lifestyles and demand, where the demand is. Great service, salespeople are friendly, polite, do what they say. The product that we deliver, it's renovated to a good standard, which sets our products apart from the non-renovated apartments. Other key selling points, I guess, of this business are flexibility. We're able to adjust our margins, adjust our prices based on where the demand is. So we keep a really strong hold on where the market is. And because we're a young and vibrant company, we can adjust prices. Case in point being October was one of the slowest months for most city agents and real estate in New Zealand in general because of the World Cup. But we had a record month in October, so it's things like that that can set us apart. Other key selling points would be our speed. We're able to, because of our market knowledge, we can operate at speed, which can allow us to purchase stock at more favourable levels than other companies, and also, as I said before, able to adjust our margins quite significantly if need be. Because we're not a developer from the ground up, we also have speed on our side. We don't have long delays, so market changes. A typical turnaround time for an apartment's 90 days. Other unique selling points. We have a lot of add-on services. Because we're all investors ourselves, specifically in apartments, our key staff are investors themselves. They know about tenancy demands, and, rental kind of seasonality, body corporate matters. So we can add a lot of value there by giving customers information, with giving them the right information and steering them to the right sources if they need further information.
So you've been working with Jerome since the beginning of 2011, February I think it was, so about 10 months. What specifically have you worked on with Jerome in your business, and tell us a bit about those changes?
In the past 10 months, Jerome and I have been working on a hell of a lot, from cash flow forecasting analysis to cost-benefit analysis, to implementing employment changes within the company, taking people from contractors to being in a senior management position, giving them a sense of ownership in the company, overseeing marketing transformation, implementing awareness, just business awareness. Things that when I started this company, I didn't really think about, to be honest. And he just and I think most SMEs in New Zealand are started off by some one or two people that are competent at a certain trade, and they grow that to a certain extent, but then they're hampered by their ability to seek quality outside advice. And this is where Jerome from Rise Advisor has come in and really added a lot of benefit to myself and the company, in the sense of actually looking at it from, hey, it's a company, not just a one-man band with a few helpers. So just put business, practicality and sensibility into the company, and we've grasped onto that, in a massive way, and we've now got some pretty great formulas, some great in-house systems, some great in-house accounting measures, a great in-house marketing team, and just the speed of information is shared so much faster than was previously. When Jerome first came on board, we had 2 staff. Now taking that to 11. The turnover was 12 million. We're on track for 24. So, and the net profit has doubled. So it's it's a testament to having an advisor. That's for sure.
Plans for the future. Tell us about where you're taking this business.
Yep. So for the last 3 financial years, we've had a doubling of growth rate in terms of turnover and net profit. We foresee being able to continue that over the next 2 financial years, after which growth may plateau somewhat in the Auckland market. At that stage, we will be moving to other markets, possibly Wellington, possibly some parts of Australia. But for now, the short-term goal is just to continue that rate of growth and continue to make operational changes to make the company more efficient, better, smoother.
So if you were talking to a business owner and they were talking back to you about how they'd come to a bit of a stalemate, a brick wall, so to speak, what would you say to them? What would you advise them?
I would definitely say get an advisor, because without actually sitting down and being face to face with these people, I wouldn't be able to make the qualified decision on what they need to do to help their business. So I guess an advisor sees a lot of businesses, is well versed in business acumen and knows what works and what doesn't. So they'd be much better suited to go see somebody. That's their job, their profession, and to just have a look at the business analytically, and I'm sure that the advisor will be able to make a small few adjustments here and there, and they'll look back in 3-6 months and go, wow, well, that's really worked. So it's there's no one size fits all approach to fixing a business that's at a stalemate, but advisor would definitely be, getting a qualified advisor would be the first step.